Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how Suno AI works for music creation. So first of all, you have the homepage where you can see what other people made and listen to the music they created. But we want to create our own music, so we're going to create. And over here you have, as you can see, I already made some calm piano music for studying. And you have few options. If you just want the instrumental, we just click here and then you type a type of music. But if you want lyrics, you go to full song, and then you just write something related for the AI. So let's say president, just president, and it's gonna give you a song related to president. It's gonna give you two options. As you can see, somewhere here is gonna say here, Mr. President, and it's gonna pick make a song. Or you, if you want the second version, depends on you. And then you select an option, and as you can see, he just added it all over here. And then you write the type of music. What do you want to be, like pop, hip hop, maybe electro. You can see you just can click here, or maybe rap, ambient, and it's gonna adjust all together. If you just want one type of music, then it's gonna do. You can also write yourself, like say calm, I don't know, piano with I don't know what do you want to do, like guitar maybe, music. So you can just and then what you do, you give it a name over here, just Mr. President, just 100, let's say, and then you click create. And now it's gonna create the music. It's gonna give you two options over here, and it's gonna take credits. I think 5 credits for each song. And that's it. You can listen to the song. Generating the music, so you just
the suit is sharp but the tie's too tight, shaking hands under neon light.
As you can see, the music is very high quality. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make. And then you have the library where you created all your music. And yeah, I realized that I forgot a few things. First of all, is that you can add your own lyrics over here, and then type the name, words, whatever you want. If not, that just use the full song for AI to give you. And also you can add your own audio over here. It says drag an audio if you have any, or just record yourself. But you need a high quality microphone for recording audio. And that also you can make a workplace for like other, let's say this is piano, this is guitar, you know. And yeah, I guess that's all you need to know how to work with Suno AI. Really quick tutorial.